Welcome to KSRI's Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 20th November 2021. Government relents, decides to spike formulas. So recently, Union government has proposed 3 formulas. First one being Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act. And second one, the Essential Commodities Act 1995. And third one being Top Prices Assurance and Farm Services Act. So these were the 3 laws. And the first law, it allows farmers to buy and sell their produce outside the agriculture produce market committees and state elanti tax or cess వేయలేదు ఇలాంటి trade పైన. And Essential Commodities Act, it deals with the powers of the center in imposing stockholding limits, except in case of famines, natural calamities, and rise in annual retail prices. And the third law, it deals with contract farming. Under this law, farmers can get into contracts with agribusiness people, exporters, wholesalers, etc. And oka predetermined price kinda oka predetermined quantity ni oka guaranteed price kinda farmers ane vallu ee contract farming lo business వాళ్ళకి అమ్మొచ్చు. And these 3 laws are now been repealed by the government. And this announcement will be completed in the winter session of the parliament. And they also announced formation of a committee which will have representatives from both central and state governments. And వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా they will deal with issues relating to agriculture, such as zero budget farming, fertilizers, change in crop patterns, transparency, minimum support prices, and etc. Post NEP, Odisha all set to teach in tribal languages. So National Education Policy, it gives a lot of importance to teaching students in their mother tongue in their primary classes. But Odisha Adivasi community situation చూస్తే, it is very diverse. 21 spoken languages ఉన్నాయి, which are again divided into 74 dialects. So now the task seems really difficult. So the state government's ST and SC department, development department, they're working on a project which is named as Samhati in order to address the language issue. And this project, it is being implemented by the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Research and Training Institute and Academy of Tribal Language and Culture. So ippatiki there are 3,328 teachers and 222 language teachers in order to impart teaching in tribal languages. India-China ties seeing a rough patch. So right now, India and China, we are not on good terms. There are being tensions between the two countries. And External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said that we're going through a particularly bad patch. So, and there has also been a meeting between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and also Singapore Prime Minister. And they discussed how the countries can work towards an even stronger partnership in the post-pandemic world and exchanged views with them on ways to strengthen the strategic partnership between India and Singapore. So, inka stronger partnership మనం ఎలా develop చేసుకోగలం, and also in order to strengthen the strategic partnership between India and Singapore, they've also exchanged views and talked about how to strengthen our partnership. Amazon deforestation surges to worst in 15 years. The area deforested in Brazil Amazon reached 15-year high after a 22% jump from the prior year, according to official data published on Thursday. So official data prakaram year Amazon previous year kante kuda Brazil's Amazon forest nearly 22% extra deforest ayindi. And according to the National Institute for Space Research Plots Monitoring System, nearly 13,000 to 35 square kilometers of rainforest deforest అయిపోయింది. And also here, US President Joe Biden had committed to end illegal deforestation at the United Nations Climate Summit in Glasgow this month. So UNFC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change కింద జరిగిన Conference of Parties 26 meeting, which was held in Glasgow, US President has committed to end illegal deforestation. Thank you.